Hello guys, good morning! Andito na naman tayo sa ating Hamster Combat. Sunday, June 16, 2024 guys. For this video tutorial, pupunta tayo guys sa ating daily cipher wherein lahat ng player ay pwedeng makakuha ng additional 1 million points kapag syempre nagawa nila yung pinaka Morse code na NFT. So for June 16, NFT po ang pinaka Morse code. So umpisa na natin guys. So ang gagawin nyo for the daily cipher guys is wala namang ibang way, no? Standard naman yung way. So yung earn per tap na nakikita nyo guys, yung meron akong plus 17 ngayon, i-click lang natin ng 3 times ng mabilis, 1, 2, 3. Tapos mapapansin nyo, nagbabago yung pinakakulay ng hamster natin. Tapos magpo-proceed na tayo guys doon sa pinaka Morse code natin. So yung Morse code is NFT. So for N, line tapos dot. Tapos for F, dot dot tapos line tapos dot or dash. Ayan, so dash tapos dot tapos yan yung for letter N, and then for F dot dot dash tapos dot tapos for letter T dash. Okay, so try na natin guys, no? Ulitin lang natin, earn per tap, i-click natin ng 3 beses. Tapos for Morse code, isang dash tapos dot, lalabas yung letter dapat. Okay, so isang dash, tapos dot, tapos dot, tapos dot, tapos dash, tapos dot, lalabas dapat yung letter. Wait lang, ano yun natin ulitin natin, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, dash, tapos dot, dot, tapos dash, tapos dot, tapos dash. Okay guys, so yun. Na-receive na natin guys. So take the prize. The code is crack. You are a real detective. Ayan. So for our daily cipher guys, again, NFT yung pinaka Morse code wherein ang N is dash tapos dot. Yung letter F is dot, dot, tapos dash, tapos dot. Tapos yung letter T is only dash. And that's the right time guys na kapag na buo nyo yung NFT na Morse code, ayan na nga po, take the prize. Okay, so meron tayong marireceive na additional guys na 1 million points. Okay? So, araw-araw meron tayong daily cipher guys. So, abangan natin tomorrow guys, June 17, 2024, araw ng Monday, kung ano po ang magiging Morse code natin. Ayan, so thank you so much guys sa panonood, no? Sana isa kayo sa nakasubaybay or nakasunod din dito guys sa ating YouTube channel para sa ating Hamster Combat. Thank you so much.